Hello, everybody. My name is Mrs. Fry, and I am the Honors Algebra 2 teacher at Orono High School. This video is just kind of an introduction to your summer homework course on Schoology. So Schoology has 4 different jump starts for you. If you've already signed up, you're obviously watching this video, you've maybe seen the jump starts already. There are 4 of them that have quite a variety of problems for you to work on over the summer. This homework is coming from concepts in Algebra 1 and geometry. Now, while this homework or summer homework is optional, I encourage you to go through and at least look at and try some of the problems just as a refresher to see how ready and prepared you are for the fall. So the big thing that we will work on in our class is showing work. I know sometimes math can come fairly easy to students, and sometimes students have to work harder at different concepts. Showing work is going to be essential as you prepare for AP Calculus, which is a course that would give you college credit in the high school. But showing work is a pretty key component for your success on the AP Calculus exam. As you go through these concepts, if you find you're struggling on a certain section, Khan Academy is a great resource for you to offer tutorials on maybe some concepts that you maybe forgot a little bit about or you just want a refresher on. Search Khan Academy and then you can type in the type of content you want, and there are lots of practice problems on there as well, along with tutorials to have kind of a refresher if you need it. Our jumpstarts will have answer keys posted periodically throughout the summer. I'll send you an update on Schoology when I post an answer key. I will post the answer key for Jumpstart A sometime in the week of June 20th, like next week if you're watching this video this week. I will check my email periodically throughout the summer. The email is at the top of this page, and I'll also post this template on Schoology for you. If you get stuck on a problem and you've asked maybe people you know and they can't help you solve it, you're welcome to send me an email with any questions that you might have. I'll check my email, and if it's something that I can respond to, I'll get to it as soon as possible. So here's kind of something that I would hope for. If you have a question about one of the Jumpstart problems, I encourage you to show me the work you have with it so that I can look at what you have and build on that, and then we can get on the right track together. So here's an example from Jumpstart A. It says, Mrs. Fry, I looked at the answer key for Jumpstart A and noticed the answer for this problem says 6.5, but I got 19. Can you see what I did wrong? So if I look at your work, I can tell right away, instead of subtracting 10, you would distribute 10 into the parentheses. So I could just kind of write on your problem that you wrote something like this. Instead of subtracting 10, try distributing it into the parentheses and go from there. And that would hopefully get you on the right track to solve and get that 6.5 from the answer key. If you're still not getting that answer, I would encourage you to send a picture back with new things that you've tried to see how far you get. One of the big things about Honors Algebra 2 this year is we will move at a pretty rigorous pace, and the content might be more challenging than maybe what you're familiar with or used to in the past. If that happens to be the case, I always encourage you to ask questions. If you wait to the last minute and then you feel overwhelmed, you may not be as successful on an assessment as you'd like. So I encourage you to ask questions as often as possible, use your resources, and we should have a great year. So again, start working on those jump starts. I'll post the first answer key the week of June 20th, and then I will send updates from there. Have a great summer, everybody, and I look forward to meeting you in the fall.